Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to remix the character builder project. So when you open up the project, you're going to notice it's got a bunch of different sprites in here. Each one of these sprites has different costumes. Like here's a bunch of different glasses. There's a bunch of different props that you can use. And you're going to make it so that you can build a character like you do in an RPG, in a video game, cosplay, etc. So the user is going to be able to drag these to create a different character and make something that's interactive. So for instance, in the project that I made, I added in a bunch of different buttons that allows you to change the different type of stuff, like it changes what kind of neck you're going to have, changes the kind of glasses, different kinds of hats, things like that. And the user is able to move this stuff and even interact with different things by clicking on it, and actually changes the color of things. So in your remix project, you're going to end up adding in a bunch of different user interactions, such as button presses or clicking or pressing of the keys, to make it so that you have an awesome character builder. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.